Is that the princess pink?
Oh, yeah, it's the last one. Sorry.
No, it's okay. You know what? Can I just have it? I'm having an emergency. Lost my daughter's favorite blankie that she sleeps with every single night, and I can't get it back, so I need to knit a whole new one that looks just like the old one in that exact color.
Well, I would love to help you,
Thank you so much.
but I promised Kevin I would knit him a new scarf.
Is Kevin your son?
My cat.
Didn't know cats wore scarves.
Kevin does.
Do you think Kevin would consider wearing a scarf in a different color?
This is his favorite.
I don't mean to be disrespectful, it's just... It's my child, you know?
Oh, I get it. I mean, Kevin is like my
No,
child.
No, that is not. No, he is not a child. He is not a person. He is a cat who would probably eat your face off if you didn't have food for like 5 minutes.